We are preparing a coloring solution. We need 500 milliliters of the solution, and the ratio of peroxide to pigment is 2:9. How many milliliters of peroxide do we need, and how many milliliters of pigment do we need? The first step is to figure out how many parts we need, and we get that by adding together the two numbers in the ratio. 2 plus 9 equals 11, so we need 11 parts of the solution. We need this number for step 2. Step 2 is to create a proportion. 2 over 11 is equal to x over 500. The 2 over 11 part represents the number of parts of peroxide over the total number of parts. And the x over 500 part represents the number of milliliters of peroxide over the total number of milliliters. We solve this proportion with cross multiplication. Bottom times top equals top times bottom. 11x equals 2 times 500. Simplifying the right side, 2 times 500 is 1,000, so we have 11x equals 1,000. Now we divide both sides by 11 to isolate our x. These 11s cancel, and x is equal to 1,000 divided by 11, which gives us 90.9, or rounding 91 milliliters of peroxide. Step 3 is to figure out how many milliliters we need of pigment, but that's much faster. We subtract the 91 milliliters of peroxide from the total of 500 milliliters, and we get 409 milliliters of pigment.